Hey friends, it's Len here from 1A Auto. Today I wanted to show you something super cool. We have ourselves a bit set that works great for Volkswagen, Audi, and Porsches. You can use this for suspension, you can use it for brakes, you can use it for all sorts of things really because, well, when you're working on these vehicles, what you'll notice is they've got all sorts of different weird bolts that you've probably never seen before working on another type of vehicle. This right here is a 3-square bit, essentially. Sounds strange to say, even harder to explain, but essentially those vehicles like to use strange bits to take their parts apart. With that said, I'd say that this is a pretty cool set to have because you're going to need it. If you don't have one yet, go on 1aauto.com and check it out. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.